11 Nightingale Place, right here in the heart of Heritage Park. Here we are. It is a beautiful, quiet street. The neighbours here are lovely, but what we have coming to the market is something truly special. What do we have on offer? It's a 4-bedroom, 5 living areas. That's right, 5 living areas, 4 inside, and then you have the al fresco on the outside. So if you're looking for a large family home, this is absolutely perfect. Now, what we've also got is a fully renovated ensuite. All the flooring's been done. It's all open plan. We have air conditioning. It's a 714 square metre block. There's a 5 metre by 3 metre garden shed as well too. And best of all, coming into summer, it definitely has that in-ground pool. That's enough from me. Let's go and check it out. So with school holidays coming up and Christmas just around the corner, how cool would this be to just show off to your family and friends? Like, it's absolutely just magical backyard. And that's what 11 Nightingale has on offer, is just an enormous home, great sized land, beautifully landscaped, very well thought out. Now, we're in the wintertime, this is the perfect fire pit, and we've also got the daybed here on offer as well too. I'm Chris Gilmour from More Properties Group. Thank you for watching.